Hi guys, welcome to AJ Technologies. Today we are going to see that Power Platform Day video 5. So here is that one requirement is there. This is the SharePoint site. I have created the list called employee. This is the list employee, and these are the fields: name, employee ID, mobile number, employee BGV. So the requirement is that after entering to that employee into that any organization, they are checking the background check. So this background check column is the choice field in SharePoint terminology. Choice is nothing but the drop down list. So there are the three choices are there: in progress, approve, reject. If the employee BGV is fine, then its employee is successfully into that organization. Or is there any mismatches in that BGV process, it's rejected. Or very fast time is inserted in the by default value is the in progress. So enter this process we are going to do the Microsoft Flow Power Automate. So first I will create that employee. Okay, go to click on new and enter the value. Title I can give that 001 employee, and name of the employee is Amar. Employee ID is that 007, and mobile number by default value employee BGV is the in progress. Just click on save. After creating this employee, then flow will trigger. This is the full flow, and we can discuss about that flow. See guys, this is the previous videos. I already explained what is the item is created, SharePoint trigger, and integration with the Microsoft Teams. So the in fifth video, these three conditions I have added: start, for, wait for, and approval. When I click on this one here, approve or reject, you can take that. This is the connection, approve or reject, and employee BGV status assigned to. See guys, in that my Microsoft Team chart, I got that these notifications. Go to the chart, and new employee Amar is added to SharePoint list. And in the apps, you can go to the apps, go to your approval apps. Sorry, here also you can navigate to that approvals, and I click on this approval. See, just now employee BGV status is requested. Okay, this is the time just now. Just click on this one, and you can click on approve or reject. After approve, employee BGV status is successfully updated to SharePoint site. Now you can go to that SharePoint site and click on refresh. Then employee is approved. Let's create one more record. 002 EMP. Name is that Ranjit. And employee ID 009, and mobile number, say mobile number I am giving by default in progress, and save. Okay, flow will run and it will give to that notification. And go to your flow. Here these are the values. These values I already explained in my previous videos. If you miss it, just go through that links and you can find. This is the item link. And after this one, I'm going I took that conditions, yes or no. This one true condition. These conditions I am giving that outcome. What is the outcome we are getting from that SharePoint Teams approve? If it is approved, then it will go to that yes true side. If it is no, then it will go to that false side. And go to that true side and check the values, site address and list name. You need to provide all those things guys. Okay, one is the site address and list name and ID based on this one, and employee BG value. So if it is approved, then automatically it will update that site address. See, so that's why here we take the update SharePoint item. That is the trigger we need to take, update item. If you go to the false session, it is a reset. The same trigger, the only change is that employee BGV value. So that's it, guys. Like this, you need to create one flow and check save and check the flow checker if there are any errors. And see in that second one, we got that thing. Go to here chatbots. Just now an employee Amar is added to SharePoint list. Okay, sorry, Ranjit is added to SharePoint list. Then you can go to that your approvals. Here in the approvals, we got that one more approval. Just now it triggered for that employee name Ranjit. Okay, click on this one. Suppose his employee background is not up to the mark. Just you can mention the comment BGV failed. Okay, then click on reset. Now we can go to SharePoint. Go to that here and just click on see reset. These colors also we can set into that column. Okay, this column we need to create it, choice column. Okay. Yeah. This is that integration with that SharePoint and PowerAutomate and Teams and approval process, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please share and subscribe. If you need that full complete training on D365 technical or functional, Power Apps, Power BI and Power Automate, please call me. Okay, thank you guys. We'll meet on other video.